Mystery Dixon.
I really lost
combo
the sign.
kid.
I can get it back in blood, but still I can't get back the time.
Conscious.
Look at this view, people. Oh yeah, we're about to hit the gas station, grab a drink, and then we're gonna run back to his house and tighten up these brakes for him real quick, and then I'm gonna borrow this bike for the rest of the day. I'm excited. Jigs of life. Woo! I got the thumbnail, don't worry. Oh, it's a little chilly right now. Go, boy. Oh. Trying to do some wheelies to warm myself up, get the blood flowing. Get the wheelies for the kid. Almost like suburban delinquent out here on the Gixxer with some dents and dings. You want any water or anything?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Yep. Dude, I just started wearing glasses and this is like my first. Oh. Can't you tell? One Way and Truce are freezing on the other side of Vegas right now. So the commentary is died down because your boy is frozen. Yeah, bikers showing mad love out here. Fucking cold. You smell coolant? Huh. Are you pissing coolant? I smell some. Some's a brewing. Sorry, baby. We're going to take a look at you. Damn, they're about to run that red light. Let's get it. Gang, gang. Whoa, what did they do? Oh, I'm going to make a U-turn? I don't like to be leader. I'm leader. I'm not leader. In the neighborhood, reckless man, very bad man.
Willie over it?
Might as well. 's first gear. Just the brake's a little spongy, so we're gonna tighten it up at his house real quick before I borrow it. This hydraulic clutch isn't that bad, especially for an older gen bike. I'm not really reviewing the Gixxer 1000 much, but she's got a couple imperfections on it, so I can't give it an honest review if I was riding like a cleaner stock one, you know. But overall, it gets the damn job done. I can see why new riders like them. The low end power. Is it the bike for me? Not necessarily. I feel kind of weird riding it out here in Vegas, baby. We're gonna show her some love and we'll be right back. You Gixxer girl, you. Alright, homie. Appreciate it, man. Oh boy, I'm solo double with the Gixxer now. Just dropped Christian off. Did the front brakes on this thing so she actually stops now. Bled the back brake for him too. Even though you don't like using it, your boy likes to use it. I feel good. Met a cool kid and had a great ride with him. That's how you merge. air, and even at the slightest touch now. Over watch this, Christian, your bike's dialed. Just gotta hit that brake. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful Vegas day. A little chilly, but it's a beautiful views today. Sun is out, thankfully. We're about to go link up with One Way Alec. I'm going to Smoke King to check out my boy Manny's new shop he just set up. If you guys are in Las Vegas, definitely check out Smoke King. I need to find food now. Looks like something in this bit. Have to take a peek. This bike is so interesting. I could gotta go for some pizza. Mamma mia. Oh hell no. Have to break that strap. You guys open? I'll do Hawaiian, please.
Here you go. Thank you, senior.
Okay. Yo, we got One Way Alec here, and we got True Stunts, the combo kids, and they got themselves an MT-07. That thing's got a license plate, a bike lock. They even got a parking pass with it.
I got blinkers on it.
Yeah. So they're known to have the MT-07s and the MT-07s, but this thing's like so stock, it's probably driving them nuts. They'll probably end up with at least some upgraded bars or something in the future. And it's loud, it's super loud. Give me a rev. Oh. You really got to look for that noise. But then we got the old Gixxer, 35,000 miles, the check engine light. It's all good. But yeah, this Gixxer 1000 is putting in that work. Went ahead and hooked C-Stunts up with a quick brake bleed. She's solid now. So right now we're riding out to Royalty Exotic Cars. We're going to meet up with the Rocks fam. I said that weird. We're going to meet up with the Rock fam and do this 4.0 event. I want to have gas at all times. You guys are killing it out there. The tandems on there are great. Oh, that's different. I'm just going to put that right there. Yeah. Don't get caps. Mystery bikes, baby. Please lock. Please lock. There we go. All right, off to the event. Let's get it. Oh. This thing's a fucking beast with the combo kids about to hit Chinatown. China. No! No! This is what? A Chinatown! I'm gonna do a burnout! Sorry, Christian. Had to do a little one. Your car is smoking. Come on, baby! That didn't happen. Mystery Gixxer, singing super weird. Don't wanna say clapped, but it feels questionable. Oh, the tacos?
No, Hester Drive.
Oh, I don't know what you're saying. I thought you wanted to race.
Oh, we're going straight.
Man, they got the yammies on deck. Look at the exotic, boy. Ooh, a McLaren Skern. All right, people, we've arrived at Royalty Exotic Cars. How's it going? Good. I'm Mike.
Jim.
Nice to meet you. That's a clean Triumph, man. What up, dude? Chilling. How's it going? That color is amazing. I don't know what this is. Like a Jeep on steroids. A Brabus. We gotta find out now. Dude, it's right-hand drive, badgeless, for sale, 95 grand. You gotta guess what it is. It's like a G-Wagon and a Jeep on steroids. It's like I've seen it, but I can't put my finger on what they call them.
Acting all sketchy.
Who, me?
Acting up.
What do you mean? No, this is Vegas, bro. You gotta blend in. He said you don't have a plate, so you gotta show dominance.